Hello everybody, this is Stephanie. I am showing you my Instant Pot, which you guys have seen a million times. But you know, I use this thing all the time. And right now I'm going to get ready to make myself some stew in an Instant Pot. That's one thing I haven't really done. So I usually put that in my slow cooker, but I'm going to actually pressure cook it. And I just wanted to stop here just to show you that she still works very well. So I have her turned on and I'm going to put her on sear. Okay, baby, where's my sear? Saute, yeah, saute. So that's what I want. And saute for 30 minutes. Probably won't take that long. I know, which is fine. And it's on custom for that. Okay, the level is 3. Now, if you do put the level up sometimes high, it does. This one has a burn spot, so I usually keep it on around 3. And I'm going to press start, and I'm going to look in and see. And right now I'm going to put in some Crisco so that the oil gets hot. But I just really, there's the oil right there, not much. All right, so I just really want to show you this Instant Pot because it still works like a charm, and I do love this thing.